In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live webinar on Getresponse. Let's start right from the main Getresponse dashboard so you can follow along on your own screen. Once you're logged in, look for the menu option labeled Tools. Hover over or click on that, and from the drop-down, choose Webinars. This is where all of your webinar management happens, both upcoming and past. You'll land on a page called Manage Webinars. At the top, make sure you're on the Live Webinars tab, not Automated or On Demand. This tells Getresponse that you're setting up a session that will happen in real time. On this tab, you'll see a blue button that says Create Webinar. Go ahead and click that to start the setup process. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a title for your webinar. This is important because it's visible to your participants on registration pages, reminder emails, and inside the webinar room. Choose something clear and specific so people immediately understand what they're signing up for. Next, you'll configure the basic settings. Here you can set the date and time of your webinar as well as the duration. Make sure you pick a time that works for your audience's time zone, not just your own. You'll also have options to customize the lobby message, which is what attendees see while they're waiting for you to go live, and the thank you page, which appears after they've registered or after the event. Take a moment to write something friendly and informative there. You can also choose to automatically record the session. Enabling this is usually a good idea because it gives you a replay you can share later with people who couldn't attend live. After that, move on to the registration and subscription settings. This is where you decide whether people need to register before joining and which contact list they'll be added to when they sign up. Connecting registrations to a specific list is key if you want to follow up with emails or nurture those leads later. You can also turn on automated email reminders so attendees get notified before the webinar starts, which helps increase show-up rates. If you want to limit access, you can set a password so only selected people can join. When you're happy with everything, click the Create button to save your webinar settings. Getresponse will generate a unique webinar URL for you. This is the link you'll share with your audience. You can add it to your landing pages, drop it into email invitations, or share it on social media so people can easily register and join your live session.